Stamp stopped at his last shift. I'm now using the dead man's stapler. Using dead man's pens and the dead man's pieces of paper. We're all using the dead man's stapler. We can use what we like, cause it's not like he'll be in later. He was one of those blokes you like to work, but he wasn't popular with the bosses. Too many hangovers, too many lates with fantastical excuses. We kill ourselves laughing and get upstairs until we came to the end. When you find yourself at a Friday bar, wasting it on pinks and Zambagar, I'm now using the dead man's stapler. Using dead man's pens and the dead man's pieces of paper. We're all using the dead man's stapler. We can use what we like, cause it's not like we'll see him later. 9 hours a day and that same place. Well, you can't help but really get to know someone, know what they're like. Though you leave it at 5:30. That's like we should say to get through the day. We were there for a chat, it's not real, but we made it our laugh. We couldn't have made it any worse. We're just all relying on someone else's bus. I'm now using the dead man's stapler. Using dead man's pens and the dead man's pieces of paper. We're all using the dead man's stapler. We can use what we like, but it's not like we'll see him later. The mundane things that you do in life go on, even when the folk you did them with are all long gone. Took them upstairs 2 weeks to say, or even just acknowledge that he passed away with sympathy. We're sorry for your loss. For a man who hated work meetings and he laughed a lot at the pitiful scene. They screened his funeral in a conference room space. We got 1 hour off, no boss showed their face. Then we went back to the dead man's stapler. So the dead man's pens and the dead man's pieces of paper. We all miss the dead man and his stapler. But we can miss him all night. It's not like we'll see him later. Cheers, thanks very much. These films were made for for this gig. I don't know if it's been up yet, but there's a wee fat kid and a donkey. That was me. Living my best life.